I'm Claire Hackett and I'm the judge for the Earth Guardians Junior Go Toon competition. I've loved seeing all the creative responses to this week's brief, which was to create a toon character inspired by the elements. I'm just going to run you through what I loved about the top 5 entries who have all won a $50 Steam voucher. The first is Juno by Nina J. Ballard from Wanganui Girls College. Now, Juno is an elemental guardian of earth and fire who protects us from the scourge of the evil ocean creatures that have come up to take away the world from us. I love the detail on Juno, especially the fiery flora on her back and her crystal-encrusted gold horns. There's a lot of careful work going on here, lots of thought put into how Juno looks as an earth and fire hybrid guardian. I especially like the rendering on her fluffy neck, tail, and her socks. Second is Galdeos by Isabella Fawcett from John Paul College. Galdeos is a creature who is actually planted in the earth and protects it from those who wish to steal nature's heart. Galdeos bursts up from the earth to surprise evildoers. I really like the thought put into the movement and the mythos of this character. The rendering, the color, all the little side details Isabella has put in, so we can see the claws, the eyes, the vine fronds, that kind of stuff. It's really, really great. Third is Earthger. Now, Earthger is an unheard of pet of Mother Nature, and her role is to protect the greenery of the world. This mystical cat has spider eyes to frighten predators, tiger-like fur which camouflages her in the forest, and rabbit ears. She can also use her super strong spider web infused fangs to siphon pesticides out of the earth. How cool is that? I love the color work on Earthger. The blending of greens, the yellows, the pink motifs throughout her mouth, her nose, and her ears, and the little flowers that help her camouflage. Very, very cool. Next is Rana by Nurani, Kansas from Hillcrest High School. Now, Rana is an ocean protector who lives deep beneath the sea. I really enjoyed the color work on Rana, particularly the blending and the shading. There's some really nice detail work in white on her cape and the little jellyfish and the water tattoos on her face. They're all a really nice touch. So very nice work. And finally is Hakae by Mangus Fraser from Nelson College. Now, Hakae is a guardian of the wild environments, and they live under the earth and can be summoned to protect our world if it's in danger. His skin is like the cockapoo fish, and his legs are like the wandering storms that traverse the planet. He can also produce carbon dioxide siphoning pollen from the red flowers on his fingers, which help remove pollution from the atmosphere. It also repurposes that pollution into carbon, and that goes back into the ground. The detail and thought put into the background of this character is amazing, as is the color work and the rendering Mangus has used to bring him to life. Hakae has a lot of components, but Mangus really brings them together really, really well and makes the whole design feel totally harmonious. So thanks for all your entries. Keep drawing and creating, and look out for the other Earth Guardian Junior challenges.